Alright, I'm here with Ramon at Gen X Gaming. We got the PSA 10 Gold Star Registeel. We're doing 3,000 cash on it. Huge deal. So here. Is this not more? This is only 45?
TCG player right now, that's at like 50.
That's what I'm seeing.
45.
I thought it was more because I have one.
Yeah, I mean this morning when I checked it was at 50.
Let me make sure.
They've been moving so fast.
What do you want for them?
I was wanting around 100, so I thought market was 130, but it has $5 less. That's not. What does that show?
It shows 111.
111.
Oh, yours are expect down.
Oh yeah, those are near mint. Yeah. What were you thinking?
Yeah, I know they fluctuate a little bit.
Yeah, I know 151 would always have value.
111 is nice point.
Holding value, so.
Feel like 90? Cool.
You good?
Appreciate you. Because I think they're worth maybe get a little more out of them.
Oh yes. Like, I know a lot of recent sales on eBay and stuff.
You got a 10?
I got 10.
Yeah. All right, so we're doing a deal for 90 bucks on some modern alts. We got the Charmander, Venusaur EX, and Charizard EX. What was your name again?
Tim.
Tim. You got like a business or Instagram?
Yeah, I can give my YouTube. I have a YouTube, yeah.
Okay. You just say what it is. What is it?
Oh, Timbo Times on YouTube.
Yeah. Follow him.
Timbo Times on YouTube.
Cool.
And then yours is Scully?
Yeah. Skullys Trading Cards.
Beautiful.
So we're doing 500 for Gold Star Metagross, Japanese Gold Star Mewtwo, Japanese Gold Star Pikachu, and Trophy Pikachu, or Winner Pikachu. We're doing the EX Power Keeper Charizard and Pop Series 5 Ho-Oh for 40 bucks. Cool.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, brother. And Jason Page is going crazy behind us. Just grab it from the front. There you go. This is my YouTube and Instagram and everything.
Yeah,
drop a sub, follow. So we're running the LC Blastoise for a PSA 8 Shiny Gyarados and PSA 8 Shiny Magikarp.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate you. What about on the Raichu? Let me give you cash on it.
I like him right now. I like him.
What about if I took the Mewtwo?
I'll keep him right now, but we're gonna be circling. If I don't see anything else, I'll come back.
If you change your mind on the Lugia or the Raichu, I'll pay you more than anybody else will on it.
You got it, man.
Pretty strong.
Appreciate it.
Yes,
Have
sir.
a good one.
Good trade. Happy with it. I just had the Blastoise, but it sold.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I traded it. It was a 9 though.
Oh, you know it's graded?
Yeah. All right.
Coin flip.
Doing a coin flip for Reverse Hollow Beedrill, Reverse Hollow Moltres from Legendary Collection, and Team Rocket's Moltres Japanese. Little coin flip. All right, I'll let you call it. I'm gonna let it hit the table.
All right, you're gonna call it, okay? Call it in the air.
Ready?
Tails.
Tails it is.
Great deal. You do that?
That's fine. I don't have the scan for it. I have to give you my number.
That's fine.
So 140 bucks for these three. All right, we did 20 cash for the Magnetic EX and Lucario EX. There you go, brother. Have a good one. 35. Yep, it's me. So we're doing 35 for some modern stuff. It's like a promo. Gotcha. Have a go. Do both for 8.
Let's coin flip it. 820, 800. That's easy. Easy flip.
8, 8, 10. I'll do that.
Alright, why not?
Alright, cool.
I'm over 2 in coin flips.
Alright, we're doing a coin flip for the PSA 10 Primal Groudon EX and PSA 9 Salamence EX from EX Deoxys. 800, 810. Fun little flip. Alright, what you call it?
Alright. Tails.
Every time, I haven't won fucking one yet, dude. Haven't won one yet, bro. Rigged.
You guys have a Masaki Gengar?
Don't. Alright, I'm here with Gen X Gaming. We're doing 350 on the GOLDSTAR Metagross. Is that your guys' Instagram too?
Fine, yeah.
So go check them out on Instagram. Cool, brother. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah. Are you vending right now?
Yeah. I'll give you a sticker too, that way you can promote me. You got the coolest stickers in here.
I don't.
Appreciate you, brother.
Appreciate you.
You got more stuff like this?
That's the last of it.
Cool.
The rest are just modern.
If you get more vintage, give me a holler. My Instagram's on there, my YouTube and all that. Cool, brother. We got the PSA 10 GOLDSTAR Registeel. We're doing 3,000 cash on it. Huge deal.
So here's 2, and then let me give you the remaining. I'll at least give you hundreds for the last one.
Cool.
1, 2, 3. This is 2, you can double count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, let's get it counted out here. 5, 2, 4, 6, 8. My guy. Appreciate you, brother.
Appreciate it.
I'll give you my card and stuff so we can link up on Instagram and stuff.
Okay. Oh, yeah. What's your Instagram?
Skullys, SKULLYS.
I think that's 650. I'll let you count it.
Okay. Just gonna take a picture here. All right, so we're doing 650 for the PSA 10 Jolteon GOLDSTAR. Appreciate you, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yep.
Hey.
Of course. All right, we're doing 150 for the PSA 10 Umbreon GX from Hidden Fates. 150.
Thank you.
Righty,
Have a good one. What's
Thanks,
your
man.
name?
John.
John, nice to meet you. Michael.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
Yep. We did a coin flip. I lost as always. I haven't won a coin flip today. I'm doing the Groudon for the Latias EX PSA 10, and I'm giving it 50 bucks with flipping cardboard. All right, we're doing $9.75 cash for the PSA 10 Shining Steelix and the PSA 10 Shining Kaboot Tops with the trading post on Instagram. Yes, sir. Let's count it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 75. Appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir. As these shows go on.
All right, I'm here with Giovanni's Vault, and we're doing 1,000 for PSA 10 Expedition Mewtwo Japanese, PSA 10 Expedition Blastoise Japanese, PSA 10 Hidden Face Umbreon, and PSA 10 Dark Blastoise Web. I appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, here with Austin. We got Karen's Umbreon. We're doing 675 cash on it.
No coin flips, no BS.
No coin flips, no nothing, just cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50. Alright, I'm here with the boys at Elite. We're getting 1,600 cash for the PSA 9 Espeon, PSA 9 Karen's Umbreon, PSA 8 Shining Magikarp, and PSA 8 Shining Gyarados. There you go, brother. Cash you out.
Still counting for me?
Yeah.
Stop.
1, 2, 3, 4. What's your name?
Jose.
I'm Jonathan.
Nice to meet you.
So I'm here with my buddy Jose. We're at the Miami TCG Con. We're doing 4 Evolution sealed packs for the Altart Groudon and the Altart Squirtle. So he's giving me these 2 and 30 bucks cash. Good deal, man.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you, brother. You sure you don't need Generations packs?
I'll be back.
Cool, man. All right, so we're doing the Mimikyu full art for 60 bucks. Cool, man. I appreciate you. I gave you my card, right?
Got it.
Yeah, here you go. Yeah, check out the YouTube and Instagram. The PSA 10 Shining Face Charizard. We're doing 140 bucks for it with a guard.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Here's my card if you want to check out my YouTube channel or Instagram or anything like that. Or if you want to sell anything. I appreciate you.
No, man, appreciate
Have a good one.
Thank you.
All right, so we're doing 30 bucks on the Flareon V Altart. Here's my card.
Thank you. Appreciate
Have a good day. All right, guys, so we're doing a coin flip. We got the base set 2 Blastoise, first Jungle Snorlax, and Legendary Collection Gyarados. They're pretty damaged, some of them. It's either 90 or 95. You want to call it in the air, or?
Yeah.
All right.
Tails. Okay. All right, I'll take 90.
You got a 10? Gave them all out. All right, so we're doing a trade for the PSA 10 Team Up Gengar Mimikyu with a homie. He's getting the Blastoise EX from 151 and the Charizard V Alt from Brilliant. There you go, brother. Appreciate you, my guy.
Well, no, like, I lost.
All right, so we're doing a 320, 340 coin flip for the Dragonite EX PSA 9. You want to call in the air or call it before?
I'll call it. Thanks.
320. Let's do it. All right, so we're gonna do a coin flip, 525, 550 on the Gold Star Metagross. All right, I'll let you call in the air.
Heads.
Heads. 550. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. There you go, brother. Yes, sir. You too. We're doing a coin flip. 350, 400 cash. We're trading out the Lugia for the PSA 10 Shining Charizard. So 350, 400 cash coin flip me to him. Big deal. Bro. Straightening it out.
What?
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy.
We were wanting to go to the beach and take pictures of mine and his together. We already did, but it wasn't daylight. It's all good though. We'll do it with that. You want to go on the floor or here?
Here's fine.
All right, 350, 400.
Tails.
Got him. 400 bucks. He wins. 400 bucks. Alluvia.
Thanks, bro.
Appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir. Where are you at? Okay, I'll come check you out. Cool, man. Guys, if you like this type of content, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us over on Instagram and whatnot, where we live stream multiple days a week. We'll see you guys on the next one.